Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video it will be about Theta Network and I'll provide an update of price analysis using TradingView. I'll put a link into the description down below my previous video about price analysis of Theta Network. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 20 June 2024 and right now Theta Network it is at about 1.58 US dollars. The market cap it is around 1.58 billion US dollars and it's situated on 56th position here on CoinMarketCap. And the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 26.22 million US dollars and it's situated on 185 position here on CoinMarketCap. I truly believe that volume in the last 24 hours it is a little bit low, but this token will have much room to grow. I truly believe that this token will perform very well, especially in the next altcoin season. Why is that? You will see in the next minutes. This it's an AI project. It is used for video, AI and entertainment use cases. Theta it's a dual network consisting of two complementary subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge network. Theta proof of stake blockchain provides payment, reward, staking and smart contract capabilities, while the Edge network is responsible for the compute, storage and delivery of the video games, AI tasks and other scientific simulation and financial modeling use cases. There are two native cryptocurrencies on Theta blockchain, Theta the staking and governance token, and we will discuss about price analysis of this token using TradingView, and T-Fuel used as gas for all transactions and on-chain smart contracts interactions. The next generation Edge network, Theta Edge Cloud, is the first hybrid cloud computing platform built on a fully distributed architecture set to launch later this year in 2024. And besides this innovation, behind the Theta network hides big names. As you can see here, Theta blockchain also underpins the Theta Drop NFT marketplace in partnership with Katy Perry, Samsung, Sony, American Idol, The Price is Right, Taste of Home, and other leading brands aiming to disrupt the digital collectibles industry. Theta Network's Enterprise Validator and Governance Council is led by Google, Samsung, Sony, Creative Artists Agency, Binance Blockchain Ventures, and other global leaders. Strategic corporate investors include Samsung Next, Sony Innovation Fund, Bertelsmann Digital Media Investments, and Creative Artists Agency. Theta is advised by Steve Chen, the co-founder of YouTube, and Justin Kan, co-founder of Twitch. Okay, and here we can find a lot of information, not only on CoinMarketCap, but you can find on a simple search online. Let's go to TradingView and analyze the price. This is the purpose of this video. We have Theta Network paired with US dollar at 1 day in the chart. It is from Binance. As you can see, since October 2023, as you saw also if you watch my previous video, we have some increase in price. After my previous video, the price increased a little bit, and let's have again some measurements from the last fall of 2023, since this top that was established on 11 March. We have an increase of about 585% in 144 days. Okay, that is impressive. The last big pump it is from January 2024, from this minimum to this top that was established in March, and here we have an increase of 334% in 48 days. If you compare these measurements with my previous video, you can see that the price climbed up a little bit since my last video. After that followed a correction, and you can notice that the price it is almost at the half on what it was back then. Also the market cap and the volume in the last 24 hours are of course different. And let's measure the correction from this top to a few days ago when we had a minimum, minus 65% in 98 days. And also we had here a flash crash that it is specific to most altcoins. You can check my previous videos to see what I'm talking about. In this case, Theta Network it has a decrease of minus 45% in just 3 days. Okay, and that's the situation. Let's look on the 20 and 200 daily simple moving averages, and as you can see here, we are very close to dead cross that will happen between those two simple moving averages. The 20 daily simple moving average will intersect the 200 daily simple moving average, and usually this is a bearish signal, but not necessary. If the price will go down, I think the biggest support that we have by now, it is somewhere around 1.4 US dollars. Why is that? Because as you can see, a few days ago we had a bounce from this level, exception this wick that went below, and from this level here on 25 December we had and also in the next days we had a rejection. We basically had here a double top, and after that the price went downwards. And also on 25 February and also on 26 February we had this level as a resistance, and after that as a support. So this one I think it is important to hold above. Okay, and if the price will go upwards, I think it is important to exceed the 200 daily simple moving average. As you can see, since 1st November 2023 the price stood most of the time above this level, but since 13 June the price went below. So for keeping the market structure, I think it is important to exceed this 200 daily simple moving average. That represents, as you well know, the average value in 200 days. Okay, let's look on other indicators. So on stochastic RSI and RSI. Here on daily, at the first glance they are both looking a little bearish, but if we look very close, they are a little up. In the last couple of days we have a bullish momentum over the last days, and maybe the trend will continue to go upwards. But overall, if we put here a moving average, you can see that both of them are bearish. Let's look on other time frame, on weekly, and see what's the status. In this case we have stochastic RSI, it's bearish, it is in oversold, and RSI also it is bearish, it is in a downtrend. I'll also use the 20 weekly simple moving average to see what's happening in this case. I personally consider this indicator an important one that tells us if the price momentum is bullish or bearish. So the price right now, it is below the 20 weekly simple moving average. It is some distance between the actual price and the 20 weekly SMA. If the price will continue to climb till the 20 weekly SMA, it will be a climb to 39%. It will be possible or not in the next weeks. I think it is not an impossible thing to realize this. And we can look also on the 50 weekly simple moving average, and we can see that this one plays for now as a support. We have this wick that went a little below the 50 weekly SMA, so this one, it is a big support for now, especially that it is almost at the same level as 1.4 level of support that I put it here, and I explained to you on daily why is that. Okay, let's look also on monthly and see what's the situation in this case. And in my previous video I explained that December, January and February the price stood above the 20 monthly simple moving average. You can see very clearly here that 20 monthly SMA was a support. This is a macro level, so things are moving very slow, but I think it is not to neglect the fact that 20 monthly simple moving average can play for now as a support. Right now it is 1.2, so it is very low compared with other indicators that we were looking by now. If we look on stochastic RSI and RSI, stochastic RSI it's bearish, and RSI right now it is in a bearish trend. It's testing its own moving average. Overall, if we take a step back and look at the whole chart of Theta token, we can see that it is in a continuum increase. The trend, it is looking something like this. It is clearly upwards, so this token appreciates in value. Clearly you can see that. Okay, and I think it is important to consider this token for the next altcoin season, especially that represents part of entertainment, gaming, artificial intelligence. I don't know if we'll have big gains. This is not a financial advice. This is just my personal opinion, just my personal thoughts. If you have a different opinion, you can leave some comments into the comment section down below and contradict me. Okay, and that's the whole situation about Theta Network. In conclusion, I think it is important to exceed the 20 weekly simple moving average and 200 daily simple moving average for keeping the market structure and keeping the price bullish. We will see what will happen in the next days, in the next weeks, and we will have an eye on this token. Let's look a little bit on Bitcoin today, 20 June 2024. Bitcoin, it is still below the 50 daily simple moving average. It is not so far away, but I think it is important to exceed this simple but powerful indicator. If you look back on the fall of 2020 and also the beginning of 2021, you can see that the price stood above the 50 daily simple moving average, right in the full bull market. So I think it is important to exceed this level for having a chance to retest the previous all-time high that was almost 74k. Right now Bitcoin dominance, it is at 55.36%. It is in continuing increase since November 2022, and it is above the 20 weekly simple moving average since December 2022. So right now the price momentum, it is bullish. Okay, that's the whole situation for today. What do you think about Theta token? Do you have in your portfolio? Do you believe that this token will perform well in the next altcoin season? You can leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me your opinion about this token. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and until next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.